I didn't even count it up. So, okay. Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna be sharing to you what I ate for lunch this last week. It was all under $12, and I got 6 meals. For the first meal, I threw together canned beans, cauliflower rice that I had made, and some seasonings. For meal number 2, I used some leftover canned tomatoes, a can of chickpeas, and a can of tuna in water. Sprinkled that with some seasonings, and this right here was my favorite. For my last meal, I made half a cup of lentils, the last of my tomatoes, and 1 carrot. I did get 2 servings from each meal, so it was a total of 6 meals, and I was left with some extra ingredients. All these meals were low cost, and they're all pretty healthy, and I'll be making these meals again. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time.